And action, say it.
Okay.
Today we are making mushroom sabji.
Yes, please.
No, say it.
Huh?
Say, today we are making mushroom sabji.
Today we are making mushroom sabji.
Okay, Nanaji, what are you doing here?
Cooking
Cooking what?
mushrooms for you people. Good.
So what is the first step that you did?
I put this ghee, the first ghee melted.
Okay, now what are you doing next?
I'm putting salt. Salt to the taste. Then I put this one. Okay. Then I put this one. Then
Okay.
put it here.
Okay, this is on medium heat right now.
Yeah, medium.
I'm gonna put midway, okay?
Yeah.
High is here, that's medium down here. I'm gonna put halfway, okay?
Okay.
Okay, what's next?
Next that you will see.
Okay, now what are you doing?
I'm putting this one mushroom in this. Okay.
And you're gonna cover it?
Let the steam come.
Okay, and how long are you gonna do that for? How long are you gonna leave that until?
You will see yourself.
Open and let me see what's going to happen here. Okay.
And little bit fry it. So you fry the spices, then you put it.
Within half an hour it should be cooked.
And you see whether you taste it, it's a cooked or no. You check it out.
How can you tell when it's cooked?
It will melt, it will become soft.
What's the flavor going to be like?
You see the flavor?
Yeah, what flavor will it have when it's finished?
This is flavored like this.
Coming to a slow simmer.
Your mom should know it. She knows I suppose.
You're gonna put this on your YouTube.
Your mom.
No, Nanaji, this is gonna go on your YouTube.
Yeah?
This is gonna go on your YouTube.
So you don't know what in your YouTube?
No, it's gonna be on your YouTube.
Huh?
This is your channel. If salt is too much, you add more water. Looks good. How does it smell? You have to see how it smells.
You are not? The smell is coming out.
Yeah, can you smell it?
Yeah.
Smell good?
Good, yeah.
Is it good?
Want taste?
Is it satisfactory? Really good.
Good.
That is really, really good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, Nanaji. I think you did it. I think you did it. How do I eat it with naan, or do I eat it with rice, or how do I eat it? Do I eat it with naan, rice, or what do I eat it with?
It is roti.
But this is really good snack. This is a good food. That tasted delicious. I want some. Nanaji, did you like Florida?
Okay.
Did you like Florida?
Okay, I like it. I love it. I love you people too first.
You gonna miss us?
Yeah, you listen. I love you people. I love Florida.
Did you have a good time being here though? There's a good weather. You went to the restaurants.
How you enjoyed my company? Because you let
Of
me know.
course I did.
How did you enjoy my company?
You're always fun to talk to. You lots of fun. You have to come back though.
That's good to see. Your mother was busy. Your father is also busy. You are with me. I will pass my time, enjoy my time with you. I'm so thankful to you.
We're gonna go to India next?
Yeah?
We're gonna go to India next, right?
Yeah, next, yeah.
Okay, all right. Smile.
Okay, thank you.
All right, smile.
When you come to India,
Yeah.
I'll get you very good place to eat. You love it.
Awesome.
Because I know the places.
Good. All right.
Okay,
Okay, say goodbye.
thank you very much.
Say goodbye in the camera. Nanaji, say goodbye in the camera.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay, bye to Florida because today I'm leaving.
Uh-huh.
Okay, thank you so much. I have enjoyed your company.
Mm-hmm.
I enjoyed everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This will become a memorable part of my life.
Yes, it will. Good. Okay, goodbye.